Hello friends, welcome back to a new video on AB coins. The 1994 2p coin from the United Kingdom is part of the broader series of decimal coinage introduced in the late 20th century during the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. Though seemingly modest in denomination and design, the 2p coin offers a compelling lens through which to view the evolution of British currency, the nation's minting policies, and the cultural significance of coinage in everyday life. Prior to 1971, British currency was based on the complex system of pounds, shillings, and pence. This changed with the process of decimalization, which officially began on 15th of February 1971, a date now known as Decimal Day. Under the new system, the pound was divided into 100 new pence, making transactions simpler and more aligned with international standards. The 2p coin was introduced in 1971 as part of this change. It was minted in bronze and bore the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Arnold Machine, which remained in use until 1984. The 1994 version of the 2p coin features the third definitive portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Raphael Makhlouf, which was introduced in 1985. This effigy shows a more mature queen wearing the George IV state diadem. It remained on coins until 1997. The 2p coins of the 1990s are part of what might be considered the modern bronze era. However, this was nearing its end. 1992 marked a turning point when the Royal Mint began switching from bronze to a copper-plated steel composition due to rising copper prices. Portrait: Queen Elizabeth II by Raphael Makhlouf. Inscription: Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 1994. DG Reg FD stands for De Gratia Regina Fide Defensor, Latin for By the Grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. Engraver: Raphael Makhlouf. Design: the badge of the Prince of Wales, 3 ostrich. Feathers emerging from a coronet. Above the German motto Ich diene, I serve. Inscription: 2 pence. Designer: Christopher. Iron side diameter: 25.9 meter. Weight: 7.12 grams. Bronze. Composition: mostly bronze for early issues. From 1992 onward, most 2p coins were struck in copper-plated steel edge. Plain in 1994, the United Kingdom was undergoing a period of relative economic recovery after the early 1990s recession. Inflation was under control, interest rates were falling, and the economy was growing steadily. These macroeconomic conditions influenced the Royal Mint's coinage decisions. Geographically, the 2p coin circulated throughout the UK, including England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, as part of daily commerce. It was heavily used in public transport fare machines, vending machines, and low-value retail purchases. In 1994, the Royal Mint produced a large number of 2p coins for circulation. Mintage for general circulation: 417,600,000 coins. This high mintage reflects the coin's vital role in the day-to-day economy. However, as the lowest denominations, 1p and 2p, began to lose real purchasing power due to inflation, their usage started declining toward the late 1990s and early 2000s. Coins from 1994 that entered circulation were subject to everyday wear and tear. Over time, these coins develop patinas, scratches, dings, and may become discolored, especially due to oxidation of copper. Steel-based coins may also show signs of rust if the copper plating is worn. Most circulated 1994 2p coins are worth only face value in worn condition, although exceptionally well-preserved examples may interest collectors. In addition to the mass-minted circulation coins, the Royal Mint also issued uncirculated and proof versions of the 1994 2p coin, typically included in annual collector sets. These coins were struck using special dies on polished blanks to produce a sharper and more detailed finish. Brilliant uncirculated BU coins were available individually or in Royal Mint coin. Sets proof coins were issued as part of the 1994 proof. Coin sets, struck to the highest standard for collectors. These coins remain in pristine condition and are free of the blemishes commonly seen on circulated coins. Their values range from a few pounds to significantly more depending on the set, packaging, and condition. Circulated condition. Face value, 2p. Unless in exceptional grade, uncirculated or BU condition, approx. 050, 150 proof condition in sets. 520 plus depending on the completeness and demand. While the 1994 2p coin is not considered rare, collectors often seek specific years for date runs or to complete type sets of Queen Elizabeth II's effigies. The 1994 Elizabeth II 2 pence coin is a representative piece of late 20th century British coinage. It embodies a transitional period marked by evolving minting technologies, material changes, and the increasing dominance of card-based transactions that would eventually lead to declining coin usage. Though common in circulation, the coin still holds value for collectors interested in modern British numismatics, the coinage of Queen Elizabeth II, or the broader story of decimalization in the UK. Whether found in an old jar or preserved in a proof set, the 1994 2p coin remains a small, yet meaningful artifact of British economic and cultural history.